How to fix file system error, -2147163901, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows updates often include patches and fixes that resolve underlying issues and enhance overall system stability. Ensuring that all available updates are installed might resolve the file system error. Fix 2. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter is designed to identify and fix issues related to Windows Store apps automatically. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, corrupted app files might lead to errors. Reinstalling the application can replace the corrupted files with fresh ones. Locate and select the affected app. Click on Uninstall and follow the prompts. System Restore can revert your system to an earlier state where the error was not present. Pick the time when the problem did not exist and click Next. Finalize the process, your PC will restart.